UTU Motion Pictures, the next release is Thandavam, Chihan Vikram's Thandavam. We are all very proud to present this film from Vijay. Vijay has come out with a brilliant entertainer. The film has got a lot of dimensions, and one of the dimensions is Vikram playing a character for blind, and we got Mr. Daniel Kish coming all the way from US to talk about echolocation, and today the press meet is for that only. And the film is all about, it's a complete entertainer, and we got a lot of cast in the film. Jagpati Babu playing an important role, Anushka, Amy Jackson, Lakshmi Rai, Santanam, Nasser, and it's got a fantastic music from G. Prakash, Neerav Shah's camera. So it's a complete entertainer. We are ready. We are going to be releasing the film on 28th September. Look forward to watch an entertainer with a difference, Chihan Vikram's Thandavam. Thank you. Okay, the script is entertainer. It's not about it's a serious film. It's an entertainer. It has got a lot of dimensions in the film, but it's an entertainer. It has got a beautiful love story between Vikram sir and Anushka, and the backdrop is love. Okay, the backdrop is love, and along with it there is a lot of action. There is a revenge. There is a complete entertainment to the audience. That's what has made us to accept a film. It's not a niche film. It's a mass entertainer. Oh, amazing. I met Daniel Kish in London. I was there with him for 3 days in shooting, and I personally worked with him for a day, and I was amazed by his technique, and it's real. He's real. It's not a blind man. He's a man who can see through his ears. You can see through ears the way senses sound and identifies the distance, and then able to see what's the object before him and act walk accordingly is amazing. So he's a great inspiration, and the film is fully authentic from his point of view. Echolocation is something people have to be trained. So Daniel Kish is available. In fact, his workshops are done across the globe. If you listen to the press meet, he talked about where all he's going to conduct the workshops. He's going to Europe. He's going to a lot of countries for the workshops, and he's training people in Austria and other countries. He's training in South Africa, Kenya, everywhere. So he's available, and people can write to him, and he's willing to come and teach. And he's got a lot of trainers who can come and teach. This is something Indian government, Indian people who are working for blind should take note of it. It's not about blind people cannot live. They can live perfectly. Daniel Kish is a perfect example of how a man with blindness can also live with